Ever worried about losing crucial messages submitted through your WordPress contact forms? Today, we're eliminating that worry by ensuring every Contact Form 7 submission is securely saved directly within your WordPress dashboard. First, log into your WordPress admin area, navigate to the Plugins section in your left-hand sidebar, and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Contact Form 7 Database and hit Enter. You'll see several options, but look for the one specifically designed to archive Contact Form 7 entries. Click Install Now on the plugin titled Contact Form 7 Database and CFDB 7, or a similar reputable option. Once the installation is complete, click on the Activate button. You'll notice a new menu item appear in your WordPress dashboard, usually labeled Contact Form DB. Click on it. This is where all your submitted messages will be neatly organized. You can see the date, the subject, and the content of each inquiry. If you click on the Messages tab, you'll see a detailed list of every submission. Each entry contains all the information the user provided, ensuring you have a complete record. No more lost leads or missed opportunities. With this simple integration, your Contact Form 7 submissions are now safely archived. Start securing your form submissions today and keep your valuable inquiries right where you can access them.